Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. I hope that you're having a good day. Today's video is about how to do red glitter makeup for beginners. And I was trying to do it in a way that is simple, that doesn't take too many steps to do it. So if you want to see how I do it, please stay and watch. Thank you.
I'm going to use this blending brush and this maroon eyeshadow, which is a nice dark red color, and I'm going to apply it. But before applying it, I'm going to go ahead and check the brush to avoid any fallout. Now I'm going to apply it and I'm going to go in and out to blend it. Also, I'm going to go right here in this outer corner and then up and down to make sure everything looks nice and well blended. Now I was thinking that I want this look to be a little intense, so I went ahead and applied a little more of the color to get that intense look. See, and now I'm just blending it in, making sure it looks nice. Now what I'm going to do is grab this tiny brush and the same eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it right here and make sure as usual to blend because that's very important when you're doing this type of look. And if you have any extra, you can put it right here in this corner and blend. I'm going to be using this product by Wet n Wild, which isn't actually a bronzer, but I like to use it as a highlighter. That's why I'm applying it right here. I'm going right and left to make sure to blend it. And also I like to apply it right here in this corner, because whenever I apply my makeup, I always notice that that part looks dark. So this is optional for you, you don't have to do it, but I myself like to do it. And I'm gonna go ahead with my brush without applying any color on it and just go over to make sure everything looks nice. I'm gonna pick up this glue, this eyelash glue, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna try to do a wing with it, because after putting the glue I'm gonna be putting the eyeshadow glitter, so I want to make sure to have a little of a wing, and that's what I'm trying to do right here, right now. You will see pretty soon. See, and I'm just using my finger because to me it's way easier. See, this is what I was talking about. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. This is the glitter I'm using today, and I'm gonna just go ahead and press it against the glue. Make sure to put it all over where the glue is. And you're gonna have some fallout, but don't worry about it right now. Just pay attention to this, because the fallout, afterwards you can just sweep it out with some face powder and a big brush. So now I'm doing a little fixing, because I wasn't too sure about having that wing look that I wanted, so I just went ahead and reapplied the glue and the glitter, and now I think it looks nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend the edges just a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna use this very shimmery gold eyeshadow right here. I'm showing it to you, it's a yellow gold, and I'm gonna apply it right here in this corner, and I'm gonna go up. See, as you can see, going up a little bit, because I saw that would be a cute look to have. And I'm gonna blend it. Always blend. That's really important when doing your makeup. Blend. I'm doing the same thing in this side just to show you, so that you can see a little better. See, just go ahead and do it. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using a gel eyeliner, which, to be honest with you, I don't really like gel eyeliners, but I think they do work very well when you do glitter looks, so that's why I decided to use it this time. And whenever you do your liner, just be patient, do a little at a time, don't try to do the whole line all at once, because that way it's harder, so just be patient. Now I'm gonna grab this really tiny and really thin brush in a black matte eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put it on top of the liner just to set it, because it is a cream product, so it's nicer and better if you just set it so it doesn't move. And now I'm just gonna grab my black eye pencil and I'm gonna put it in the lower and the upper part of the eye. And now I'm just gonna use my liquid eyeliner to do this little tip right here that you don't have to do, but I myself really like it. I think it makes your eyes look very pretty. Also, I'm gonna be checking and correcting whatever I think needs to be corrected there with my gel eyeliner. So now I think it looks nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my false eyelashes, and I'll be right back. See you in a little bit.
Final look. I hope that you like it. I hope that you think it was easy to do. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, comment, and share it with others. In your comments, let me know what is it that you think, if there is other videos perhaps that you would like for me to do. I don't know. Okay, thank you very much once again. Have a really nice weekend. Enjoy your free time, and I will see you next time. Bye.